Open the actual Fleiss workspace and confirm that the result is already computed. Export should start from a verified result, not from a blank or setup screen. Use the per variable result row before exporting. The reportable value is diagnosis category, Fleiss kappa about 0.210, with a slight interpretation. Run history shows which computations produced the result. That matters for reproducibility because the export should be tied to the same run and metric context. The export panel offers CSV, Excel, and PDF. In this tutorial, those controls are shown as the handoff point. The method's caveat remains that the public Fleiss example is a count table expanded for demonstration.